Hello, Sari Stars. How are things going on in your saree world? I am Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I have for you a beautiful collection of hand woven silk cotton saris. These saris are Kanchi silk cotton saris. They are woven on similar lines as the Kanjivaram silks, and they have the same kind of beautiful colors and motifs. So, let's get started with these saris. A stunning silk cotton sari. This one is in a gorgeous shade of mild karuthi or peacock color. The body of the sari is in a stunning shade of peacock green and there are small threadwork motifs all over the body. The borders have beautiful threadwork motifs in a combination of green and yellow. The grand and elaborate pallu of the sari has intricate motifs all done in thread. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a blouse from one of the colors from the border of the sari. You can accessorize this sari with silver jewelry or beaded jewelry. This is a festive silk cotton sari in the most auspicious haldi kumkum or red and yellow combination. The body of the sari is in a gorgeous shade of rustish red and there are cuttams or checks all over the body. There are small zari buttas all over the body of the silk cotton sari. The borders of the sari are in a combination of zari and with a rust band which enhances the look of the sari. The pallu of the sari is in yellow and it has elaborate and beautiful zari motifs. The sari has a yellow blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with a contrast green necklace. This is a silk cotton sari in a fabulous and unusual short rose color. The body of this sari is in a very unusual and rare short rose color and there are cuttams or checks all over the body of the sari. The borders of the sari are in a short pink color and there are two bands of zari motifs along the border. The pink pallu with zari motifs provides a beautiful contrast to the short rose body. The sari has a pink blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with a silver necklace. This is a gorgeous silk cotton sari in a beautiful shade of reddish pink color. The body of the sari has Lakshadipam design There are small buttas all over the body of the sari. The borders are in a combination of green and rust with zari motifs of yali and pakshi. The grand pallu of the sari has zari motifs of gudara, that is horses, yali and pakshi motifs. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a beautiful green blouse. You can pair this sari with temple jewelry or beaded jewelry. Black is a color which is stunning and stands out, and this is a silk cotton sari in which you are sure to make a statement. The body of this sari is in stunning black and there are veldari kind of lines running along the length of the body. The borders have beautiful pakshi motifs in thread and this enhances the look of the sari. The pallu of the sari is in maroonish red and it has intricate and elaborate threadwork motifs of pakshis. The sari has a maroonish blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with beaded jewelry. A smart silk cotton sari. This one is in a gorgeous shade of rustish brown and has all over cuttams or checks. The body of this sari is in a gorgeous shade of short rustish brown and there are cuttams or checks all over the body. The borders are in a combination of orangish mustard and green and they have intricate and elaborate threadwork motifs. The pallu is in a similar color combination as the borders and the pallu adds to the grand look of this sari. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a gorgeous green blouse. You can accessorize this sari with beaded jewelry, traditional gold jewelry or silver jewelry. Silk cotton saris combine the splendor and grandeur of Kanjivaram silk saris with the comfort of cotton saris. These saris are perfect as gifts for your loved ones this festive season. They are also ideal for Navratri and the festive season ahead. To shop for our collection of silk cotton saris, head over to our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more saris and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.